Want TikTok on your PC but not sure where to start? Installing TikTok on Windows 11 is actually super simple, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. Alright, first thing you need to do is click on the Start menu, or just press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now, type Microsoft Store in the search bar. Then, click on Microsoft Store from the search results. Once the Microsoft Store opens up, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click on that and type TikTok, then hit Enter. You'll see TikTok pop up in the search results, so go ahead and click on it to open the TikTok details page. Once you're here, click on the blue Get button. The TikTok app will now start downloading and installing automatically. When the TikTok installation is complete, the button will change to Open. To launch the application, click on Start, then click TikTok from the Start menu. And you have it! TikTok is now launched on your Windows PC. Now, if you want to add a TikTok shortcut to your desktop for easier access, click on these three dots at the top, then check this option and click Allow. The TikTok shortcut will now be added to your desktop. You've successfully installed TikTok on your Windows 11 PC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.